So what I'm looking for is that nice golden brown color. Once I get that nice golden brown color, I'm going to go ahead and flip it over just like that. Now I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to go ahead and rub this bread down with the garlic. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the garlic and rubbing it over each slice. And this is just going to give like a little essence of the garlic. It's not going to make it like super powerful. Now I'm going to go ahead and grill my bread off. What I'm going to do is just take my bread and I'm just going to lay it down right on the griddle with the olive oil garlic side down. This is in a little cooler spot than the chicken was in. See that beautiful golden brown color right there? That's what we're looking for. Perfect. Chicken's looking great. While that's finishing up, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fire off our pomodoro sauce. I got my beautiful tomatoes and garlic and basil ready to go here. It's already seasoned, all ready to go. All I'm going to do is take a little bit of this olive pomace oil. I'm going to put a little bit in the pan right here. And this is a super fast cook. I'm going to let that pomace oil get hot. And what I'm looking for is just enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. Now, I know my oil is at the right temperature. Have you ever seen like them cheap $99 paint jobs that you get like, hey, I'll paint your car for 99 bucks? When you have waves in your oil that look like those cheap $99 paint jobs, your oil's at the right temperature. So what I'm going to do is take this, toss it right in there, super fast saute. And that's it. Sauce is done right there. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in, hold it off to the side. Look at that pomodoro sauce. It's beautiful. What we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken off the grill now, and I'll just put this right over here. I'm going to let the chicken set up for a couple of minutes and stop cooking. The reason why is because if you cut into meat right away, what happens is all the juices inside the proteins are still like moving around. So if you let it sit there for a couple minutes, the juices have an opportunity to stop. When they stop, you cut into it, the meat will stay nice and juicy. If you cut into it right away, all the juices run out, you lose all your flavor, it gets really dry. So we're going to let that sit there for just a couple minutes, rest just like that. And I'm looking for that nice golden brown color right around the edge. See how that looks right there? Perfect. So I'm going to get and pull the ones off that are done. It's so easy to do a simple presentation. All I'm going to do is take my chicken and cut it at an angle right like that. Look at that inside. See how nice and moist and juicy it is? This is perfectly cooked chicken. First thing I'm going to do is take some of my toast points here, and I'm just going to lay them out right like this. Then I'm going to take my pomodoro sauce here, and I'm going to take a little Parmesan cheese. I'll add a little more at the end, but right now I'm just adding a little Parmesan flavor into the pomodoro sauce. I'm going to go ahead and put the pomodoro sauce right on top of the toast points, so it's sort of like half on the toast points. All right, take my other chicken breast, cut it up right like that. Beautifully cooked on the inside. I'm going to go ahead and take this. When I cut it on a bias, I'm just going to put it on the plate right like that. I have my rosemary crusted organic free-range chicken with a pomodoro sauce, served a little toast point. I'm going to take some Parmesan cheese here, top it right on top, just like that. Nice simple meal you can knock out after about 15-20 minutes after a long day of riding or a hard day at work. That's it. That's Kai Food for the Adventurous Spirit. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.